from the teachers. Who is the teacher? He has been absent. Yes, because the teacher that we had was very good and we learned a lot from him. In fact, I am also working on my thesis. And with him, we learn a lot. A lot that is going to be applied now in my thesis. Okay, what? It doesn't have an score yet. And did you write an email to him? Yes, there is something correo interno and you can write to him. I mean, at least that there is the proof that you are asking for your grades. Because in the case you have to talk to the course director, you have the evidence. You can say, okay, I have sent emails, I have asked, we have requests, but he doesn't appear. So you need to have evidences. It's better if you give evidences. Okay, Preciosa. Nobody has come yet. I mean, except for you. So who are the other two? Karime and the other two partners. Okay, Linda, let's talk about... did you take the quiz? The two quizzes. And what were the grades? Four out of 10. Out of 4 out of 10. And in the second one? 4 out of 6. Yes, okay. Okay, Natalia, and what do you remember about the topic that you saw for this video? The video for this week. The second week, yes. The kind. Okay, Preciosa, for to have, no. You say, for having or to have. Yes? For having. It's true, yes. And there are some questions. On top of the picture, sometimes there are some questions, so they look for your answers. That you answer the question, and besides that you provide detailed information. Okay. So now we are going to see my screen, and Karime, you are going to have 1 minute to prepare the answers for these 5 questions. Where are you from? What do you do there or here? How long have you been studying English? How do you enjoy most about learning English? And the last one, do you have any hobbies or interests? So you have 1 minute to prepare your answer. And then you're going to have 2 minutes to cover the 5 answers. Is it clear? Good. Okay, let's begin now. Prepare your answer. They are similar. The thing is that in every encounter we are going to have personal questions, pictures, like something to discuss about, and there are more pictures. So every encounter we have to practice the same skills. You're ready? Okay, perfect. Let me set this stopwatch. Yes, 2 minutes to talk. Okay. Okay, thank you, Karima. You did it very well. Yes, you spent the 2 minutes. Okay, so now the same exercise. We are going to be practicing and practicing over the same things. Luz, you are going to choose 2 questions and you're going to ask Natalia 2 questions. Can you see these ones? Okay. So can you please ask Natalia? Yes, ask Natalia 2 questions and she's going to answer immediately. Natalia, wait a second. Karime is going to ask you the questions, yes? Okay, thank you. Okay, now Natalia, you are going to choose 2 different questions to be asked to Luz Karime. Very good. Yes, so I agree with you. I also see myself working for a university or as an interpreter or something like that, or for international examinations. But teaching is the best. Okay. Okay, Natalia, for example, if someone asks you, do you like internet? You say, yes, I do. No, yes, I like, but yes, I do. I like it because I can communicate with my boyfriend, and we have communication through internet. Yes. What is a place where you would like to travel? Remember, I've traveled, or I would like to travel to London. Okay. No, you use another preposition, but to London. Yes. Okay, chicas, now we are going to move to the second part of this exercise, which is very easy. Tell me. If you check your agendas for the course, it says final speaking exam. CAE final speaking exam. That is going to be at the end of May or the beginning of June, in that week. So in that meeting, I don't know if it is Liliana, if it is Giselle, or if it is a native teacher, a native person, who is going to give you the interview. It's not me, but it's another person. And it is pretty much the same. The first part is personal questions. The second part is pictures. The third part is like something to ask your opinion about something. And in the last part, you have to describe, for example, when I got this exam, I got like people in a disco, but it reminded me like the 60s or the 70s, so I had to talk about that. And it is 10 to 15 minutes. You have to show your ID card and show your face, and the examiner begins asking questions. My internet is very slow these days. Okay. No, this is not the one I'm looking for. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. So, Luz Karime, when do you have the debate?